Good evening, students. In today's video we will discuss about an important topic in the plant physiology or the developmental biology of the plants, and this topic is important for the different universities masters entrance examination of the botany. This topic is also asked in the CSIR NET exam as well as in GATE exam, GATE Life Sciences. So today we will discuss the ABC model of the flower development. In today's video, we will discuss about particularly the genes that are involved in the development of a flower from the shoot apical meristem, the leaves, the main stem as well as the branches, and the flowers, which are the essential part or the reproductive part of the life cycle of any plant, are developed from the shoot apical meristem itself. Flowers are developed with the help of different genes, which are also called the flower identity genes. So this ABC, these are the class of the genes which are involved in the development of the flower, and they all belong to a common family which is called the Mad Box gene family. All the A, B, C class genes are commonly belong to a family which is called the Mad Box genes family. So let's just discuss this topic in detail. Total of 5 floral identity genes are classified into total 3 gene families. One is the class A gene family, another are the class B genes, and the third one is the class C genes. These are the families of genes, gene A, B and C family. That's why it is called the ABC model of the flower development. All the 5 floral identity genes that will involve the development or that will involve the fate of the different parts of the flower are classified into 3 gene families A, B and C. Class A gene have the 2 genes. One is the Apitella 1. Apitella 1 is a name of gene classified in the family gene class A family. Next one is the Apitella 2. The Apitella 1 and Apitella 2, both of these genes are involved in the class A genes. The class B gene have the Apitella 3. The Apitella 1, 2, 3 are abbreviated as AP1, AP2 and AP3. We will further use AP1, AP2 or AP3 for them. The class B gene also have another gene which is called the pistillata. The pistillata is abbreviated as the PI. So class A gene family have the 2 genes Apitella 1 and the Apitella 2. The class B gene family have the Apitella 3 and pistillata. It will also have the 2 genes. And the class C gene family have a single gene, that is A gammus, and it is abbreviated as AG. So a total of 5 genes, Apitella 1, Apitella 2, Apitella 3, pistillata and A gammus. These 5 are floral identity gene which will give identity to the parts of the different parts of the flower like sepal, petal, carpel and the stamen. So Apitella 1, 2, 3, pistillata and A gammus are divided into 3 gene families, gene A, family B and C. That's why it is called the ABC model of flower development. So you have to remember, or you have to I am recalling these names. You have to remember these. Apitella 1, Apitella 2 are the class A genes, Apitella 3, pistillata are the class B genes and A gammus is the class C gene. Now we will discuss that how they will give identity to the flower. All of the 4 holes, we will discuss about the 4 holes in the flowers. So outer one are the calyx. Suppose this is a flower, it's a thalamus. So one hole is the calyx. The unit of calyx are the sepals. Along with the calyx there are corolla, which are also called the petals, or the unit of the corolla are the petals. Along with the sepals and petals, or along with the calyx and the corolla, these are the calyx, corolla. There is a presence of the female reproductive part which is called the carpel. The unit of the female reproductive part called the gynoecium, and the unit is the carpel. So there will be gynoecium or the carpel, style, stigma, ovary, and the male reproductive part, those are the stamens having the anther and the filament. So these are the four halls of the plant: the calyx, corolla, androecium and the gynoecium. The units are the sepals, the petals, stamen and the carpel. So all of the four holes, sepal, petal, stamen and carpel, will be identified by the three class of genes, the A, B and C. The class A, class B and class C genes, having the total 5 floral identity genes. Class A gene having the epitella 1 and epitella 2, B having the epitella 3 and the pistillata, and the class C having the A gamete gene. Now we will discuss that how these sepal, petal, stamen and carpels will form. So I have written the four holes. One are the sepal, petal, stamen and the carpel. So class A gene are involved in the formation of the sepals and petals. S is sepal, P is petal, ST is stamen and C is for carpel. So class A gene are involved in the formation of both sepals as well as petals. This we have discussed, this line. The stamens and carpel will form by the class C genes. This I have underlined for the C. And the class B gene are involved in the formation of the petals as well as stamens. So there is a common thing or the overlapping region which we can see that the petals are forming both from A and as well as B. The stamens are forming from C as well as B because there is an overlapping region. So sepals will only made from the A. The petals will made up from A plus B, because below the petals there is a region of the B as well as the A, this common region. The stamens are formed by the B plus C, whereas the carpels will only formed from the C. This you can understand easily, that petals and stamens require both of the genes A plus B as well as the B plus C, two genes requirement, but sepals and carpels are forming from the single gene, that is the A as well as the C in the case of the carpels. So this we have understand very well. And we know the class A genes are the epitella 1 and the epitella 2. So for the formation of the sepals, only the class A gene is required. So class A gene having the epitella 1 and the epitella 2. Okay. Now we will discuss about the petals. Petals require the class A gene as well as the class B gene. So for the petals we will take only the AP2 component, not both the components. So the AP2 from the class A gene, AP3 from the class B gene and the pistillata from the class B gene. This we are now discussing on the gene level, not the gene family level. We discussed sepals are formed from the class A genes only, petals are formed from the class A plus class B genes, stamens are formed from the class B plus class C genes, and carpels are forming from the only class C genes. So particularly about genes, the petals are formed from the epitella 2, epitella 3 and the pistillata. The stamens will form from the class B gene as well as class C gene. So we will take the AP3 and PI from the class B, and from class C we will take the A gamete. And for carpel, only the class C gene are required. For the carpels, this I will crop. For the carpels, only the A gamete is required. So this you can also recall or recite again. The stamens are forming from the epitella 1 and epitella 2, only the class A gene. Petals are forming from the class B plus class C genes, because there is an overlapping region, this region. So epitella 2, epitella 3 and the pistillata. Stamen will form from the epitella 3, pistillata and A gamete, that is B plus C gene, and the carpel will form from only A gamete or the class C genes. This you can take a screenshot or you can remember these things, because the questions are generally asked from this area. Then whenever we will mutate any gene, then what will be the effect on the floral identity or the floral development. We will again revise them. The sepal will form from the class A gene only and the epitella 1 and epitella 2. The petals will form from the class B plus class C gene, because we were writing like the sepal, petal, stamen, carpel. The class A, class C and the class B. So this region, petal having overlapping region 1, A and B. Stamen having the overlapping region B and C. So stamen will form from, it will be A plus B. Stamen will form from B plus C and the carpels will form from the only C. So epitella 1, epitella 2, and the B plus A, the epitella 2, epitella 3, and the pistillata. In the stamens, the epitella 2, pistillata, and the agamous means B plus C, and in the carpel only the agamous gene. So now we will discuss about the questions on the ABC model of floral development. So how the questions are generally asked, they will give the information that following gene will be mutated, what will be the effect on the floral development. So one thing I want to tell you that class A gene and the class B gene are antagonists to each other. Whenever the A will mutated, जब भी A gene mutate हो जाएगा उसके प्लेस पे C will express. जब भी A का फंक्शन म्यूटेट हो गया तो A का फंक्शन परफॉर्म नहीं हो पाएगा, बट उसके प्लेस पे नेसेसरली C का फंक्शन परफॉर्म होगा, एंड वाइस वर्सा. C इज ऑल्सो एंटागोनिस्ट टू A. जहाँ पे C म्यूटेट हो जाएगा मीन्स C का फंक्शन लॉस हो जाएगा, लॉस ऑफ म्यूटेशन, लॉस ऑफ द फंक्शन इज म्यूटेशन. तो म्यूटेशन जैसे ही हुआ तो A विल परफॉर्म इट्स फंक्शन. C का प्लेस पे A अपना फंक्शन परफॉर्म करेगा. A अगर म्यूटेट हो गया तो A के प्लेस पे C अपना फंक्शन जो है परफॉर्म करेगा. तो अगर ये क्वेश्चन आ जाए कि इफ़ C जीन इज म्यूटेटेड, we use this symbol for mutation, the delta. So if class C gene is mutated, what will be the floral organs? तो देखिए क्लास C म्यूटेट हुआ है, ओके. तो क्लास A जीन है, क्लास C है और क्लास B है, ठीक है. C म्यूटेट होगा तो C के प्लेस पे C का फंक्शन लॉस नहीं हुआ, C के प्लेस पे A अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करेगा. तो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दी वेरी बिगिनिंग दैट क्लास A gene will form the sepals. No problem at all because A is not mutated. Now the petals, so A plus B, B is not mutated, A is not mutated, so petals will also form. So here comes the petals. Now next will be B plus C. अब C जीन म्यूटेट हो गया और म्यूटेट होते ही C के प्लेस पे क्या होगा A, तो इट विल बी B plus A. और क्लास B और क्लास A जीन मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं, अभी हमने देखा, दे विल फॉर्म द पेटल्स. देन ओनली C. नाउ ओनली C इज म्यूटेटेड, तो ओनली C के प्लेस पे ओनली A होगा और ओनली A क्या बनाता है, सेपल. सो देयर विल बी नो सेक्स ऑर्गन्स फॉर्म, ओनली द सेपल पेटल सेपल्स विल फॉर्म. द फ्लावर विल बी sterile because there will be no sex organ, the male or the female, means no stamen and the no carpel. If we talk about the another case when the class A gene will mutate, अगर A म्यूटेट हुआ है तो A plus B, B plus C एंड C, ये चार प्रोबेबिलिटीज़ होती हैं. क्लास A म्यूटेट हुआ है उसके प्लेस पे C रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ, C एक्सप्रेस हुआ, तो C क्या फॉर्म करता है, कार्पल. तो यहाँ पे बनेगा कार्पल. A प्लस बी, A के प्लेस पे क्या है, C है, बिकॉज A इज म्यूटेटेड, तो C प्लस बी क्या फॉर्म करता है, स्टेमन. नाउ B प्लस C तो म्यूटेट नहीं हुआ है, सो B प्लस C विल फॉर्म द स्टेमन एंड C ओनली विल फॉर्म द कार्पल. A म्यूटेट हुआ था तो इट विल ओनली फॉर्म द सेक्स ऑर्गन, नॉट द कैलेक्स एंड द corolla. Whenever the A is mutated, whenever the C is mutated, there will be no sex organs formed. Now the third one, when the B will mutated, तो जब भी B म्यूटेट होगा, A, C एंड B, तो B का मैंने बताया कोई एंटागोनिस्ट नहीं होता. B जब भी म्यूटेट होगा तो B का फंक्शन लॉस्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, ओनली A विल फॉर्म द सेपल. A प्लस B, अब B तो है ही नहीं तो अकेला क्या बचा, A बचा, ठीक है. B का कोई एंटागोनिस्ट भी नहीं है तो अकेला A क्या बनाएगा, सेपल. B प्लस C वॉज गोइंग टू फॉर्म दी स्टेमन बट B इज म्यूटेटेड, अकेला सेपल क्या, अकेला C क्या बनाएगा, कार्पल. सो इट विल बी कार्पल्स एंड अगेन दी सिंगल C विल फॉर्म दी कार्पल. So carpel and sepals will only form, not the male reproductive system, as well as the petals will be absent whenever the B will be mutated. So this is all about the ABC model of flower development, and I also told you that how the questions are asked. Generally the questions are asked on the mutation cases, that when the A is mutated, B is mutated or C is mutated, what will happen. So only we have to remember the names of the 5 genes, that is the epitella 1, epitella 2 categorized under the class A gene, epitella 3 pistillata categorized under class B gene, and the A gammas categorized under the class C gene. The 4 whole, sepal, petal, stamen and carpel. The sepal and petals are formed from the class A gene and stamen and carpel are formed from the class C gene, whereas the B gene are common. So petals will form from this region, B plus C. Stamen will form B plus A, sorry. Stamens will form from this region B plus C. Sepals will form from only A, and carpel will form from only C. So this was the concept of the ABC model of the flower.